You may be wondering, how do you deal with your loved one's estate after they die? A small estate affidavit is a written document that allows the rightful heirs to inherit a deceased person's estate without going through the long and complicated process of probate court. States have their own laws governing this process. In Massachusetts, a small estate affidavit is also known as a collection of personal property by affidavit. In this video, we'll discuss how a small estate affidavit works, requirements under Massachusetts state law, and what steps you can take to file a petition. Before we start, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more videos by eForms, the world's largest database of free legal documents. And be sure to watch until the end of this video to find a link to a fillable form for small estate affidavits in Massachusetts. First, let's review how a small estate affidavit works. A small estate affidavit allows the estate to bypass the probate process, which involves going to court to figure out who gets what. When a small estate affidavit is filed by a rightful heir and no one objects to the small estate filing, the filing party will receive the assets and properties of the estate when all of the decedent's debts are paid off. This process usually takes a fraction of the time that it takes for a probate procedure to move through court. So, what do Massachusetts state laws say about small estate affidavits? Massachusetts state law requires that you wait 30 days after the death of the estate owner to file the affidavit. To qualify as a small estate in Massachusetts, the estate in question must be valued at less than $25,000. If the decedent owned a vehicle, that value can be excluded from the total amount of the estate. Lastly, Massachusetts state law requires that the affidavit is signed by both the petitioner and a notary public. Here are 3 key steps to the small estate affidavit process in Massachusetts. Step 1, collect the information and documents. During the required 30-day wait period after the death of the estate owner, it's recommended that you begin collecting information that will be required to fill out the petition. That includes the name and addresses of possible heirs, surviving joint owners, and more. Also acquire a copy of the death certificate and the will if it exists. Step 2, fill out the affidavit, complete the affidavit using the information collected, and get it notarized. Step 3, file with the probate court. File the affidavit along with other required documents with the probate court local to the decedent's residence at the time of their death. If you are in need of an official Massachusetts small estate affidavit form or any other forms regarding estate planning, probate, and more, we have thousands of state-specific ready-to-go templates available for you to download.